Imagine waking up to an inbox full of payments that rolled in overnight, all while you were fast asleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But for some people, it's a daily reality. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a millionaire or have some rare skill to get started with passive income. In fact, if you're between 18 and 30, now is the perfect time. But there's a catch. Most people never actually build true passive income streams. They dabble, try a few ideas, and then give up when they don't see immediate results. Today, we're going to break that cycle. By the end of this video, you'll have practical passive income ideas you can actually start, even with minimal investment. Let's start with one of the oldest and surprisingly powerful passive income sources, dividend-paying stocks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Stocks? Aren't they risky? Sure, the stock market has its ups and downs, but dividend stocks are a different beast. Companies like Coca-Cola and Apple pay out dividends regularly to their shareholders. It's like a mini payday just for owning their stock. Think of it as getting rewarded for, well, doing absolutely nothing. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Now, before you go all in, remember, dividends alone won't make you rich overnight. But with patience, they can steadily grow your income year after year. And here's a secret. Some stocks actually increase their dividends every year. So, while dividend stocks provide consistency, what if you want something a bit more entrepreneurial? Digital products are a game changer. Imagine creating an ebook, a simple online course, or even digital templates, and then selling them over and over without lifting a finger. Now, you might be thinking, who's going to buy my ebook? Here's where people make a mistake. They underestimate the demand for niche knowledge. Your expertise, whether it's about cooking, fitness, or even organizing your digital files, can be valuable. Let's be real, people buy all sorts of things online. I mean, people pay for virtual pet rocks. Yes, that's a real thing. But here's where it gets interesting. Once you create a product and post it on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, it can keep selling for months, even years. And if digital products aren't your style, what if I told you there's a way to make passive income with something as simple as pictures? Ever snapped a cool photo and thought, hey, this would look amazing as a wallpaper? Guess what? It can actually earn you money. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock let you upload photos and videos, which companies and creators then buy for their projects. And the best part? You earn a commission every time they use your photo. Yep, even that random pic of your coffee cup could be worth something if it's artsy enough. And don't think you need a fancy camera for this. Even high-quality smartphone pics are fair game. But there's another way to make passive income that's just as flexible and doesn't require any artistic skill. Now, what if you could get paid just for having an opinion? If you love sharing your opinion, this one's for you. With affiliate marketing, you promote products and earn a commission on sales through your unique link. You can do this by writing blog posts, starting a YouTube channel, or even sharing on social media. Ever recommended your favorite show or product to a friend? Imagine if you got paid every time they took your suggestion. And here's where the magic happens. Once your content is online, it can keep earning for you for years to come. You'll be making money while binge-watching your favorite Netflix show. But let's move from online recommendations to something even more hands-off. Imagine making money without ever dealing with a product or customers. Yes, it's possible. Peer-to-peer lending lets you lend money to others through platforms like Lending Club. And in return, you earn interest. It's like being the bank. Sure, there's a bit of risk, as there is with any investment, but the returns can be higher than many other investments. Who knew you could get paid just for playing financial matchmaker? Now, if the idea of lending money makes you nervous, don't worry. We're about to dive into the most beginner-friendly passive income idea of all. Ready for something that involves the lowest risk and almost no learning curve? Let's talk about high-yield savings accounts and CDs. While the returns aren't sky-high, they're risk-free and guaranteed. A high-yield savings account offers a better interest rate than traditional banks, and a CD can lock in an even higher rate if you're willing to let your money sit for a while. Think of it as putting your money on autopilot. It's not flashy, but it's steady. And if you're just starting, this is the ideal way to dip your toes into passive income without taking on big risks. Now that we've covered these ideas, you're probably thinking, which one is best for me? Here's the truth. There's no one size fits all. The best passive income stream is the one you start and stick with. So, pick one, take action, and remember that even small efforts can snowball into significant income over time. And if you're serious about building wealth, don't stop here. Head over to my next video on how to create a financial plan for your 20s, 30s, and 40s to set up a rock-solid foundation for your journey. Click on the end screen to get started. Let's turn your financial dreams into a reality.